Welcome back to English Hub. In today's video, we will explore one of the most inspiring autobiographical pieces, My Childhood, by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, taken from his book Wings of Fire. Let's step into the childhood of India's missile man and see what shaped his great personality. Abdul Kalam was born in Rameswaram, a small town in Tamil Nadu, in a middle class Muslim family. His father, Jainulabdin, was an honest and generous man who led a simple life. His mother, Ashima, was a kind hearted lady who fed many needy people every day. Their home was modest but full of love, discipline, and peace. The Rameswaram was a place of religious harmony. People of different faiths respected each other deeply. There were temples and mosques standing close together, a beautiful picture of unity in diversity. This environment taught young Kalam the values of respect and tolerance. During World War II, when Kalam was a child, there was a sudden demand of tamarind seed. Tamarind seed? So he collected and sold them to earn money. This was his first earning. He also helped his cousin Samuddin to distribute newspapers. Through these small jobs, he learned the dignity of labor and the joy of earning through hard work. Kalam's closest friends were from Hindu family. They studied, played, and ate together without any discrimination. But one day, a new teacher asked Kalam not to sit beside his Hindu friend Ramanandan Shastri because he was Muslim. Both boys were deeply hurt when Ramanandan's father, a respected priest, heard this. He gently advised the teacher to never spread such prejudice. Kalam's science teacher, Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, greatly influenced him. He encouraged Kalam to question, explore, and dream big. When he once invited Kalam home for a meal, his wife refused to serve a Muslim boy. But the teacher calmly served Kalam himself, teaching him the power of patience and equality. Later, his wife realized her mistake and welcomed Kalam again. Iyer told Kalam that if he wanted to grow, he must leave Rameswaram to pursue higher education. He motivated him to fly high and achieve something extraordinary. Inspired by his teacher's word, Kalam dedicated his life to learning, science, and service to the nation. My Childhood is not just a story of Kalam's early life. It's a lesson in values, faith, and humanity. It shows that one's background does not decide success. Our dreams, discipline, and deeds do. Dr. Kalam's childhood reminds us that greatness starts from humility, and that love, equality, and education can change not only one's life but the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English Hub for more such detailed lesson from Beehive and Moments. Signing off for now.